Here at Graphite, we believe 3D printed components aren't created equally. We use our vast experience and knowledge to ensure that the 3D printed parts that you buy from us are of the most exceptional quality that they can be. Here we have a PA12 multi-jet fusion component that has been printed outside of our business. The part has a poor surface finish with visible build lines, inconsistent colouring, and is generally very unappealing. The same component, produced in-house on our machines, orientated for best surface finish and quality, looks exceptionally better, with build lines removed through our post-process vapor smoothing. Just this attention to detail and additional focus on quality will ensure the parts that you receive from us are exceptional all the time.